So we're taking a little road trip from Dublin and heading west past Galway to a place called the Delphi Mountain Resort, where we've got some activities planned. Now I've been told out here on the west coast we need to pack for every season because the weather changes very quickly. This behind me may look like a lake, but actually it's a fjord, which means it's been carved out by a glacier. And this actually links to the Atlantic Ocean, so it's seawater. So what you'll find in here is mussels, you'll find mackerel, and apparently you'll even be able to spot some dolphins and seals on a good day.
The Delphi Mountain Resort is where I'm heading, which has an activity centre with some unique Irish pastime hobbies that they want me to try out.
Okay, so I'm here at the Delphi Mountain Resort. I'm here with Rev. Rev, why am I wearing all this?
You're wearing all this now. This morning you're going to be doing our long zip aerial trek combo.
Yep.
So what you have on here, we've our full body harness and we've our long zip trolley here.
So as you can see behind me, this is the Delphi Mountain Range, which goes up to 800 meters. Now the high mountains, combined with the fact that this is the second most rained upon piece of land in Europe, because it's next to the Atlantic Ocean, means that there's a lot of fast flowing rivers, great for whitewater rafting and kayaking. Balance is on point. Getting ready for this baby, the Zipline. Take a look at that. How long is this?
200 and something meters.
200 meters, and it goes how fast?
Quite fast.
Quite fast. That's fast enough for me.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa there! That was rapid. I don't know how fast we got there, but when you hit the brake at the end, you realise that you're going pretty fast. Whew. And with the scenery around with all these mountains, it's quite incredible. So the zip line's finished. Now we're going to do the aerial obstacle course, which is nice and high. So if you're scared of heights, this is not for you. But luckily, I'm a daredevil.
I wish I could say this is the most idiotic I've looked today, but there's an Irish pastime that the locals have been eager for me to try, which I think might top this.